Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our portfolio page. So here we successfully load our portfolio component, right? So now I want to work for our contact. So for the contact, I think you can well understand about it. First of all, we have to create one of the path. That means right now there is a portfolio. We don't need this. And now go to our header, into the header area. So that is our contact, right? So now first of all, we have to update that link. So I just simply copy it. So here it should be just like that same, and also you have to finish that contact. So I just simply copy it, and here I just simply finish it. So it should be, our path name will be as a contact. So it should be as a contact, and for the contact we have to create one of the path, right? So here route path, I just simply copy it. It should be as our contact. So I just simply name it as a contact, and also I want to create one of the component as a contact. Okay, so now that is our contact component we have to create. In our components area, I want to create one of the component, and I just name it as a contact.jsx, right? So now it should be this one, that means our class component. So I just simply paste it. It should be as a contact. So I just simply name it as a class component, will be as a footer, that means that is contact, and also export default with the contact, right? That is our component area. So now in our header area, so here we have to load our this contact. So procedure will be just like that same. Here I just simply load it from input, our component name as a contact. So I just simply added that contact from components, and here I have created one of the component as a contact. So I just simply load that contact, right? So I just simply load it. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you go here, refresh your page, and now if you go to that contact, yeah, you can see it's now perfectly loaded our header and the footer, right? So after that header footer, here I want to load our main content part. That means here if you go to that our HTML page, that means theme HTML, go to that contact, and for the contact here you can see there is a contact us page. They have some of the map, they have some of the input field, there's some of the text, and then the footer. That means this portion I have to actually take it, right? So now let's do that work. That is actually our contact.html. So now open that contact.html. So that is actually contact.html. I open it with our Visual Code Editor, and it should be just like that same. That is our header, and that is the main part. And into the main part area, here I want to actually minimize it, and then I just simply copy it. Okay, I just simply copy it, and now in our contact, see here after this, that means into the dev area, that means in our returned, that is a render, returned, and that is our dev. So whatever the things we have to put everything in our this dev area, right? So I have already discussed about that things with you. So now simply here I just simply added our this main. Okay, and now they have so many error. There is same error, actually we have to solve it. So I just simply remove all that our comments, and also here you can see they have some of the input field. That is our home details. That is actually some of the input field. Here we have to update it, that input field. So that is actually the text area, right? That is our text area, and that is our placeholder. That is the input field. That is the input field, and there is another input field. So now I'm going to actually update it. So that means I have to actually close it. So I just simply close that our input field, the email field, and that is actually our subject field. Okay, so they have the 3 input field. Yeah, you can see that there are 3 input field. I just simply updated, and then that is our button. Perfect. So now get in touch, and then the script for the map. So right now here I don't want to show that map, so I just simply remove that script, and also they have some the another script. So there is another script, I just simply remove it, and also they have some of the ID. Okay, that means a lot of the code on here, so I don't need this ID actually. I just simply remove it. Okay, I just simply remove this ID, and then that is our comments, and then that is our comments. Perfect. And you can see everything is now gone, everything is now green. So that's all you have to do, friend. They have no error. Now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, like here I just refresh it, yeah, you can see it's now perfectly loaded our contact us page, and that is our contact us form. Okay, the form is now loaded, and that is our some of the information. So if you want to actually update it, all that our static data, so you can actually update it everything from what this component area, that means our contact, right? So from here you can update it. So right now I'm not actually changing anything. So if you already know about little bit that HTML, the CSS, then you can customize it as per your demand, right? So now I just simply update that portion, and that is our footer portion. And here I want to put that link. So if you want to put that link, I think you already know about it, what exactly you have to do. So now first of all you have to take this part, that means import it. I just simply copy it, and now in your contact, first of all here after this I just simply import it. Okay, so after this I just simply import it, and then our home, that means our home link, that means a link to our home path. So I just simply copy it, and now here you don't need this ahref. Here I just simply updated that link. Click as a save all, click as a refresh. Now go to our home. Yeah, without loading that page, it's now redirected to our home, about, service, portfolio, and now that is actually our contact. Perfect. So friend, we successfully also complete our contact portion. So now in our next video I want to discuss about our this blog and the blog details. Okay, so I can load it in our next video. I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.